All right, parked right along the edge of the road. Don't really have a parking area here, but it works. I am right here at letter C, here at Maplewood State Park in Minnesota. There's Cataract Lake. This is called the Cataract Lake Trail. I'm just going to walk this pink section over to here and then back again. And I'm going to only video on the way there, not the round trip. So, kind of a shorter walk this time. I've never been on this section, but today is the day. Okay, here we go. Cataract Lake Trail. You can kind of see the lake through the trees there. And into the woods we go. Beautiful. Yeah, there's the lake down there. Back out onto the prairie. Tall grass prairie. Restored tall grass prairie. There was a time when this park was, you know, private land, and it was actually farmed. I imagine that at some time, it was in the past, this was a field. But once the state park got established, you know, they restored the prairie. Of course, I don't think they did right away. It was several years before they actually got around to doing that. But originally, before the settlers came in, it was prairie. It was tall grass prairie. All right, going back into the woods. take a moment just to look around for a second. Just came from there. Beautiful. That color. Huh. And here it is. This is as far as I am walking to. Here's the Y. I'm right there. So I'm going to turn around and go back that way. But anyways, looking at this, go down there, could go back to my campsite over the Grass Lake Interpretive Trail, which is right around there, which I walked yesterday. And of course, if I go that way, I would go over towards like towards where the park entrance is, the headquarters, the park office, I should call it. Eventually going that way, but not doing that today. I don't have the time. Too late in the day. It gets dark too early at this time of year. But there we go. I'm gonna take a turn around and head back up that way to the van. And so, thanks for watching this video. Thanks for joining me for this walk. And stay tuned for the next video.